Alright, so we're back at it. Today I'm going to try to get inside of the car, possibly put this up on some jacks, that way I can get the tires on there. So yeah, I don't have, the car needs to be used as a storage, so as I'm getting parts, they're going to be stored inside the car, because I don't have time or the space to put stuff. So yeah, I'm going to try to do the old coat hanger trick and see what I can do. So there's a bunch of tutorials online on how to do the coat hanger trick to pretty much hook it on that thing and just wiggle it until it pops up. I'm not going to bore you guys. I'm probably going to get a couple videos of me doing it, but it's not really necessary. You can look up one of those videos and they can explain it better than I can. So here we go. First time opening the car. Pretty heavy door. Nice. Yeah, I'm surprised. I didn't, honestly, I know it's bad to not have confidence in yourself, but I really didn't think it was going to be that easy. I honestly thought I was going to go back and have to buy one of those little airbags or even call a locksmith, but hey. Works. Seems like the door works. I don't want to sit in this thing yet, but let's see. Oh, nice. The windows work. One less thing to worry about. So the interior, trashed. Yeah, this seat, I mean, these seats need to get redone. There's no way around that. The bottom of the dash looks pretty solid. And I'm actually going to go throw some gloves on before I start messing around with this stuff. This is really sticky and gross. So, yeah, one second. All right. So let's see what we got in here. I don't know if this is gonna open. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but sitting on the seat, it's just like cracking. That's how brittle it is. Oh, nice. All those stickers are intact. It's just like a little financial treasure chest. Elvis, raise on rock and roll for old time's sake. And Pride of America, Charlie Pride. Oh, oh, that one's not even in there. Oh well. I probably wouldn't even be able to have anything to play those things on anyways. Looks like some paperwork. Some lotto tickets. I don't think there are any winners though. Nope. Bottle opener and a spoon. That's kind of boring. This stuff, I'm not going to go through it right now because I just realized if it has any of the old owner's personal information, I don't want that to get out there. It's not fair to them, so I'll go through that on my own. If there's anything cool, I'll make a separate video, but I doubt there will be. Put that back in there for now. These lotto tickets are kind of cool. I don't know what I'll do. Maybe incorporate them into the final project somehow, but I don't know. Looks like some fruit. Disgusting. This opens from the other side. Alright, I'm gonna take a walk around to the other side. Oh yeah, I'm gonna open it up first. Get my head on the top of the car. First pain from this thing, other than wallet-wise. All right, yeah, this one, the door's not looking too good on this one. I don't think the window works quite as well on that one either. Didn't get lucky that time. So there's like a buildup of stickiness. I don't know what that's from. That's really gross. The bottom of the dash seems to be looking good. What do we got in here? Ooh. I felt like something cooler than it was, but no, just paperwork. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave that stuff out. I don't really want, if this was my old car, I wouldn't want my stuff getting out. So, there we go. Back seat, trashed. Oh well. Shoot. Okay. So I was reading online that you don't need a key to pop the hood. So I don't know what those are yet. I'll have to Google that. But it's either the hood is really, really stuck or I wasn't trying hard enough. So I'm gonna try to open this bad boy up. Oh, nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this camera back on the tripod and we're gonna pop the hood and take a look. So for a car that's been sitting for a long time, everything seems to be pretty intact. I'm glad there's no like squirrels or mice or rats or any kind of rodents to like come in here and start chewing up on the wires. Everything seems pretty, at least it's there. This doesn't mean it works, but at least it's there. Going down to the bottom, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's no surface rust. There's no rust on any of the subframe or any of that stuff. That it looks kind of rusty right there, but it's just dirt. You can like flake it off. I'll show you. It's just caked on dirt. So it looks like pretty good. I'm actually really excited. Only thing that I'm kind of mad about right now is I can't get into the trunk. So these videos are a couple weeks apart. It's been raining. I don't know if you can tell. The ground's all wet and stuff. I'm gonna try to jack it up, but see it's gravel. I don't want anything to go wrong here. But anyways, so I've been taking off the lug nuts, and of course I get all 19 out of 20 off. But this one I think's rusted on, so I've been back and forth messing with bolt extractor kits and all that stuff. But that's the only one preventing me from getting tires on this car. So I'm gonna try to put some manpower into it and figure out how to get it off. But the bolt extractor kits didn't work. The first time the extension broke, and the second time the actual bolt extractor itself, it just spun around on the inside. So after many trips to Home Depot, I'm just gonna try to either figure this out or get a blowtorch out. I don't even know, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm not sure if anybody's ever had to do this before, but I had to jack this car up. It had 4 flats and it's on wet gravel. This is not the safest way to do it, so if you're watching this video, do not do it this way ever. Don't even think about it. This is like one of the most dangerous things because the gravel can just like come out at any time. But yeah, I had to move quick, get these 2 front tires off, probably get them to the shop so I'll take it up a couple inches. That way I can jack up from the middle the right way and hopefully get the back tires on today. So as you can tell, I'm a little out of breath. I'm not going to be filming that much today because I want to get this over with really quick before I, die under this car. Alright, so now that the car is jacked up, I can show you guys what's going on. It was really stressing me out having the car jacked up like that. Like, I felt like it was going to topple over at any minute, so I just wanted to get the tires on really quick, and I don't want to waste time with the video. But so yeah, I got these new guys on there, the fronts at least. I had to do 2 at a time at the tire shop because this is my car, I don't have a truck, so it kind of delayed things, but we're getting there. So tires are finally on. This thing looks like it's got some life now. It looks, well, I don't want to say it looks like a totally different car because it kind of looks the same, but at least it's sitting off the ground. I can get under there if I need to. I can shift it in neutral, roll it around. But this thing just looks mean from the front, man. I can just imagine like looking at that in your rear view and just seeing it. Oh man, I can't wait to get this thing up and running. But yeah, so that's part 2. Part 3, I'm gonna get into some engine work. Probably change all the fluids and then see if I can get her started. But at least now she's in rolling condition.